trading has become incredibly boring for me lately because I'm laying in bed, I'm minding my own business, and I'm thinking to myself, I'm about to head downstairs, mark up the charts for a couple of hours, wait for my setup, place my trade, make some money, and that's literally about it. That's it. That's literally all I'm gonna be doing. So it wasn't until I was brushing my teeth this morning when I discovered, hey, let's do something to make this a lot more entertaining. So I decided I'm gonna do a challenge, right? I'm gonna do a challenge 100%. I'm gonna do a spin the wheel challenge in today's video. So let's get into that. So I'm gonna fund my account with whatever amount my Telegram community says. So whether it's gonna be $10, whether it's gonna be $1,000, it is 100% up to them. But the wheel decides everything else. It's gonna decide what pairs I trade. So whether it's gonna be US30, whether it's Euro USD, and it also decides what time frame I am only allowed to look at. And the kicker here is that whatever trade I lose, I have to give away the equivalent of the loss to somebody completely random. Okay, so we literally just sent this out not too long ago, and we already have 141 votes. So I'm gonna pick the one I want to trade with, but we want to see what everyone else is saying. So I think 500 is a sweet spot, right? I think 500 is a sweet. Damn! And everybody has officially decided on $10. I just had to give them a little bit shade because they love to see me suffer. Telegram group, I hope you guys are watching this. You play too damn much. You play too damn much. But for the record, if you guys had chosen a higher amount, if I had lost from maybe say losing $1,000, I lost like $500, you would have gotten a lot more money. But now we get to play around with $10, and that is on you. So let's come over here. So we have my live account. We have my live account on Star Trader. My live account. We have our $10 deposited. Beautiful stuff. All right, so we got the $10 deposited. We are on the live account. Now it is up for the wheel. Okay, let's see what we're trading right now. Okay, guys, you guys see everything we have there. We got NAS 100, S&P 500. We have XAU USD. We got AUD-CAD, GBP JPY, Euro USD, US 30. So now we're gonna click and see exactly what I'm trading first. Let's go. All right, the S&P 500, let's go. That's not bad. I think that's pretty good. That's not bad. All right, so the time frame, we're doing the time frame now. So we have the weekly, which I pray we don't land on. We have the weekly, the daily, 4 hour, 1 hour, 15 minutes, 5 minutes, and the 1 minute. Let's see how my luck is with this first trade. It's gonna be absolutely insane stuff. Oh my days. Give me the hour.
It gave it to you pretty easy for your first trade, but it's your first trade, so we're gonna let you have it.
It's only $10. Like this is $10. This trade could go pretty great or pretty horribly.
So let's get it.
Okay, so it is a small account, so we're gonna go extremely aggressive. Okay, the first trade is gonna be extremely aggressive. We have no time for any proper risk management on a $10 account. We have to wait for the perfect setup and go extremely aggressive, and let's see how much we make by the end of the day. I can only analyze on the hour. Ideally, I would have preferred like a lower time frame so I could scalp some positions because that would have been a lot better. But you know, I am the GOAT, so bye. So we're looking at the S&P 500 on the 1 hour time frame. We also do have CPI in just a little bit. So what I'm looking at right now is I'm not gonna place any trades till we have that CPI news, and I can probably get a good read on it. So one of two things can happen. We hit our top area, meet some supply, fall down to the lower end, or we break structure, retest, and then fly up. Ideally, I wanted to break structure and fly up because we do have a price correction that is due. So CPI could be that major moment for the price correction. So we're gonna wait for that, and as soon as that happens, I will let you guys know. We're gonna be taking this trade together. All right, bro, so just like a quick update on what happened with that S&P 500 trade, this is the 1 hour candlestick. This happened because of the news. This literally happened in a minute. It picked up here in a minute and then played in the last couple of minutes. We could never have taken this trade, not with a $10 account. It would have been suicide because we couldn't guess which direction this was gonna go. We needed a break of structure, and that happened. It happened in a couple of seconds, and you know, we just don't have the capital to kind of play this kind of game. So back to the drawing board. We're probably gonna wait for a little cool down, and then we're probably gonna take another trade after that. So let's just. All right, so I'm going with the trend. See it right there. We buying. The news is in favor for futures. I've entered my positions right now. You guys have entered my positions. I'm down $1, almost $2, but we're not even worried. New York is about to open. New York is about to start trading. We're about to make a lot of money. I'm about to cook this. I'm about to cook this. I'm about to cook this. And even if I don't cook it, I'm sending someone $10. But we have faith. We have to have faith in the situation. As a matter of fact, New York is opening in the next 15 minutes. Watch. Watch. We might have to fund again. Yeah, so we got brutalized, guys. Yeah, no, the market clapped us expeditiously. Now we got clapped. I don't even want to lie to you. We got clapped, but that's fine. That's fine. Because I am a man of my word, we are gonna send $10 to somebody completely random. Could have been more had you guys chosen, you know, a higher account size, but that's up to you guys. Anyways, and I think that it's too soon to end the challenge. I think we need to put in another $10. We need to spin the wheel again, and we need to get in another trade. All right, it's the next day. The account blew, of course, I updated you on that, and I was feeling a little bit down. I was like, you know, first attempt, the account absolutely blew, and then I looked at the S&P 500, the trade we took yesterday, it went totally in our favor. The account was just too whack, just too small to even get that done. So yeah, I was just going through a lot. I was just trying to cope, trying to get my head back in the game. And I mean, today I have to send some random person $10. They're probably gonna think it's like a scam or something, because that's just gonna be weird. I'm just gonna message them and be like, hey, SE here. Do you want $10? I have $10 for you. You want $10? Maybe they buy like a coffee or something, I don't know. But anyways, we have to spin the wheel again, and we have to see what we're gonna be trading again and what time frame we're looking at. I uploaded another $10 because we are going to do this challenge. I wanted to do it in one day, but we are going to do this challenge, and we cannot end this challenge until I either blow again, which I speak highly against, or I make $30 because we have to make more than we lost. So hope you guys are ready. First, let's find this person to send $10 to. We gotta go and just be absolutely random. Oh, dang it. Woo! Hey, what's up, bro? SE here. So I'm doing a bit of a YouTube challenge, and I have to send $10 to somebody completely random. So I don't know, bro. You want $10? You want to buy a coffee? You want to do something? I'm sending $10. If you want it, let me know. I think that was convincing enough, right? That was totally convincing. That was convincing. Yeah. Hey, by the way, I know it's completely random, but it is for a YouTube channel, and I have to give someone random, and I picked your account randomly from being in the Telegram group chat. So you just let me know if you want this $10, or should I just look for someone else? Just so you know that this message is directed to you. Your name is Araja Ajara. You know.
Now you're just spamming.
Now I'm just spamming.
Yeah. So let's wait for that response.
Oh, by the way, check this gold trade. 350 pips on gold. Look at that. That was insane. Insane. Absolutely beautiful shit right there. Anyways, what are we trading for the next trade? Let's go. Spin, baby. GBP JPY. Ooh. That is nice. And I'm trading a little small account. This is gonna be really good. Time frame.
Okay.
It's done. I've won this. It's done. It's done.
How are you feeling about this?
It's done. It's done. It's done. No one's getting another $10 from me.
Yeah.
No one. Look at this. Look at this. So much better. Right, let me find my areas of interest. Let me find my key points, key levels. Let me find any potential patterns. Let me look what the candlesticks are doing. And
you missed a little bit of a opportunity right over there. See that?
Oh yeah. I had these marked up beforehand. Okay, so I'm gonna remove them because I do trade
only the 15-minute time frame. You cannot look at anything.
I won't look at anything else. I won't. Let me mark the charts up. Let me find that potential opportunity of entry, and then let me get ready to trade. I've also uploaded the other 10. Where's my phone?
In front of you, right there. All right, we'll get back to you.
Thank you.
Once you make something happen here.
I will make something happen.
All right.
I'm SE.
All right.
It's just what I do.
We're all rooting for you.
No, you're not. They want me to fail. They want me to fail so I can keep giving more money away.
We're all rooting for you.
Right. Okay, so we just had a break of structure on GBP JPY on the 15-minute. It is overall a downward trending market, but it's been falling for some time, so we should just try to buy back some of those positions as price just tries to push up before the next melt. So we're just gonna scalp those positions going up, and then we're gonna take the longer term trades going down. So I am executing now. We just broke structure. See, nothing too crazy. Let's go. And I open list positions this time. We have to be super aggressive. Either the count blows or it doesn't. That's literally just it. It's $10.
Okay, so explain to us why SL and TB are there.
All right, so I'm not trading with an actual SL, right? So the account is either gonna profit or it's gonna blow. It's $10 up. I'm gonna be hyper aggressive with it. So what we are doing though is my take profit is gonna be here. So overall, if we take a bigger look at the market on the 15-minute, you can clearly see this is downward trend, strong downtrend. But you see this is a strong, significant level of support. As price came up, it respected it, it broke through. So what could be happening here is one of two things. We could just come and retest the level, but due to that strong break of structure, we could get the close above as price tries to collect a little bit more at the top before initially trying to tank it again. So I'm not too worried about a retest. Let's just see what happens until then.
I don't understand any of what you said, but what I know is you're killing it. Is that what you're saying?
Yeah. Let's go. All right, guys. So I have another update for you guys on this trade. So yeah, let's check it out. We are up almost $2 right now on the trade, so we did get in really good on that break of structure. We did get in really well. We're gonna wait for price to go up a little bit more. I want $5 from this trade. I'm aiming for $5. Then we can jump out of this trade and look for the next one. But we are doing pretty good. We're doing pretty good. Pretty good stuff, guys. Pretty good. All right, team, so we're gonna close off right here, $4. We're gonna close off with like $4 today. Close all profitable positions. All right, so we made about $4.66.
I woke up in a new Bugatti. I woke up in a new Bugatti.
So I gotta roll the wheel yet again. Let's spin the wheel and let's see what we are trading. Let's go. All right, give me some good, give me some good. Oh, come on. S&P again? Yeah, whatever. Let's see what time frame we're using this time. No! But you know what? I have faith. I have full faith in the situation that we are going to be able to trade the SP 500 index solely off the daily and solely off $14 in our account. All right, so I've been stalling taking this trade. I just placed it right now on the SP 500. We only looked at the daily. I went bullish. I'm currently down $4, $3 now. We have no possible way of doing analysis on the daily for a $14 account that is going to be in any shape or form proper risk to reward. We are just gonna go off what we see the overall trend as, significant levels, and then I'm just gonna take the trade based upon what I see the candlesticks doing, because as part of my strategy, I have to look at what the candlesticks are doing. So right now we're up in profit. I'll show you the screen just now. Fluctuating in and out of profit. We are full margin in because it's $14 and like we need to do something. So I'm gonna show you guys exactly what's up. We are fluctuating in and out of profit. We up about, see, back and forth, just in and out of profit, nothing too crazy. We're currently up about $4. We are closing our positions here with $4 in profit, closing all positions in profit. All right, close up all positions in profit. I will trade. We did about $4 today, $4.34. The reason I decided to close this trade off in profit and not necessarily hold it is because I want to spin this wheel just one more time so that I can get a better opportunity. So I'm trying to get a better opportunity so I can really take a super good trade, because overall this was luck more than anything else. I'm not gonna lie. There wasn't much analysis that could have actually proven to really get us this outcome, but shout out to us. $4 up again. The account's overall on $18.89. Let's try to get this up to 30 with our next trade. Oh, wow. All right, let's see the time frame. So we're gonna be trading gold on the 15-minute time frame with nothing but $18 in our account. But I wanted to show you guys something else that's pretty interesting as well. So I had this other $10 account, another $10 account. So when I was loading my live accounts, I accidentally loaded another one, weirdly enough. And I decided to take a US 30 trade that I sent to my group just yesterday. And I made $48 on this particular account. Look at that, $48 total. I mean, the total equity is $48 right now with a US 30 trade that I did send to my free group. So remember guys, head onto the description box down below, go on over. Every trade that I take on my main account is going to be free for the rest of 2025. So come and join, get set up with my team. All you have to do is go to the link in the description box down below, join the free Telegram. They will get you guys set up. But let's see what we can do with this remaining $18. Can we take it to 100? Can we take it to $50? Let's see what we're gonna do. This is the final trade that we're gonna be taking. So let's see what we can do. So we, of course, as you guys can see, I clearly marked this up. We had a major sell-off. There is a price correction that is due because you guys can see we're getting higher lows, right? We're getting higher lows. We do hit a significant area of resistance. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to be waiting for this candlestick to close, see how it closes, and then I'm going to take my entries. If we get more momentum down, I'm going to go bearish just to the bottom of this trend line, and then we'll see if we can go straight up to the top. Otherwise, if it doesn't and we start to break above, then I'm going to look to take buy positions at the top end because this is gold. We have been buying for some time. Just had a bit of a sell-off, but I do see us starting to pick up steam. But we could be in for some quick sells right to our trend line over here before we start to buy back. So let's just wait a little bit. I want this candlestick to close and then we execute our trades. All right guys, we got a Dragonfly Doji. If you come over here, we got the Dragonfly Doji right there on that 15-minute candlestick that we're looking at. We are buying, we are getting a lot of buyer steam right now guys. So I do see us breaking that resistance. So I'm gonna go off what I can see happening right now. We are gonna break that resistance. We are gonna go to the top. Initially, I want this to sell. Probably gonna push down. As you can see, it's pushing down just a little bit, but I see buyers taking control of this market. They've clearly indicated that they have the strength, right? Sure, we hit the resistance. We did sell off a little bit, but I do see that the buyers are going to probably push this up. So we're going to wait a little bit and we are going to execute once price starts to push back a little higher. Once it pushes back a little higher, I'm going to enter with this type of trade. Let me just show what it's going to look like. Nothing too crazy. I'm gonna keep my SL, of course, below that doji. I mean, we're still all going pretty rough. It's only $18, but I'm gonna target right over here. This is the level I'm gonna be targeting. All right, so we're gonna let it push down. The buyers are gonna push this market back up and we are gonna just probably get the break of this resistance. We did try to sell out of it, but as you can see, the buyers are just refusing for sellers to take hold of this market. So I'm gonna execute my trades now, actually. I'm gonna take a chance. We're gonna execute earlier today. It just said, no, you can't afford that. I can't trade gold, guys. Wait. No, I can't. Let's get a smaller lot size. When was the last time I ever traded with something this small? We're still going. That's it. That's all we can afford, guys. Let's let it run. All right, guys, so we're gonna wait a little bit and I will update you guys on this particular trade. What's so funny though is I was able to turn $10 into $48 in one trade, but this other account is just struggling. It is struggling. Yeah, we got $18, but we did blow that $10. So we still haven't even broke even yet of what we were able to deposit because we deposited $20 total. So we still have to break even on that account, but the other one, it flew, guys. It absolutely flew. So I wanna wait for this one to do something for us and let's see what happens. And if you guys are enjoying this video, you let me know in the comment section down below if I should do something else, something better, more crazy. It's actually have a target instead of letting the wheel decide? Should we have a target or should we let the wheel decide everything all the time? Okay, so it's actually been 11 minutes. It's been 11 minutes and we are up $4. So we've officially broken even. We've made $1 profit on this particular account because we initially deposited $20. So we're at $22 now, and we're gonna let it run just a little bit more, all right? We want to profit off this account. It's very small. We've taken, what, four trades? We've only been able to make $10 in this one. Let's just wait, guys, and I will keep you posted because it's looking like this trade's gonna be pretty good. I think we can hit $50. I think we can hit 50. So let's just wait, let it do its thing, and yeah, I'll update you guys later. All right, guys, so the trade is looking pretty good right now. We are on $11, almost on $12. So what I'm gonna do is I am gonna close all my positions right now. That's solid. The account is at $29. We were literally a few cents short of being on $30. Okay, so after a couple of days of us holding this account, it was long. It was long. I mean, I even got a new hairstyle between the time when we started this to us actually finally making some profit. It was a long hold. But on top of that, at least I was able to make $50 on my other account, which is fine, but it's kind of sad because it wasn't actually part of the challenge. So that's a bit of a downside. But I actually want to do something super interesting. If you guys can comment part 2 down below, we will actually see if we can take this account from $29 to 100, and maybe 100 to 1,000, and maybe 1,000 to 10,000. I actually want to continue growing this account, but that is 100% up to you guys. You have to comment down below part 2, and I will do a part 2 of this account, and maybe, just maybe, we'll do incredible things. And to that guy that never responded for the $10, you missed out on a coffee, bro. You missed out on a coffee.